Hi everyone, today we are going to show you two methods to back up your iPhone 7's camera roll to computer. Method 1. Transfer certain camera roll by using Singles Manager. Singles Manager is a comprehensive mobile phone assistant which can not only manage a phone but also can one-click backup and restore your data. What's more, Singles Ultimate contains the fully function of Singles data transfer. Launch Singles Manager and connect your iPhone 7 to computer via USB cable. Choose Photos option on the left panel. Simply select Camera Roll and click Export button on the menu bar. Choose a saving path and click Export to launch. Method 2. Transfer all photos by using Singles Data Transfer. Singles Data Transfer can transfer data across iOS and Android. Of course, Android to Android or iOS to iOS transfer are supported. You can also backup and restore your phones at any time you want. Furthermore, iCloud and iTunes backups are available to restore back to your phone. Launch Singles Data Transfer and select Backup to PC option. Then connect your iPhone 7 to computer via USB cable. Once Singles finishes to sync your iPhone, all the transferring contents will show in the middle of the interface. Now select DCIM Photos and Picture to transfer all photos. You can also change your saving path in advance. Finally, click Start Copy to launch the transferring process. If you like our video, please subscribe us on YouTube. For more information, please visit www.singles.com. Thanks for watching.